Every single morning, millions of people wake up, rush to work, and repeat the same routine day after day. They work hard, they follow the rules, yet true financial freedom always seems just out of reach. Here's a hard truth. Hard work alone does not create wealth. Money isn't just earned, it's built. It's built by the decisions you make, the systems you create, and the time you give it. This is about something I call high RMP, high return money principles. It's not a get-rich-quick shortcut, it's a system that grows quietly while most people are distracted by their monthly income. It's about how small, consistent actions build exponential results over time. In the world of wealth, patience almost always beats raw intelligence. Welcome to what many call the middle-class money trap. It's a place where comfort is mistaken for growth, and a salary is mistaken for wealth. We're taught to see consumption as a sign of success, a bigger house, a better car, the latest phone, but none of it buys you freedom. It just keeps you on the hamster wheel. Most people spend their entire lives trading their time for money. The truly wealthy ask a different question. They don't ask, how much can I earn? They ask, what can I own? So what exactly is high RMP, high return money principles? It's a mindset, not a specific product you can buy. It focuses on the power of compounding, on long-term thinking, and on what we call asymmetric risk-reward, where the potential upside is far greater than the downside. High RMP isn't about fast money, it's about intelligent money. It's about money that works for you even when you're sleeping. Your most powerful asset isn't your paycheck, it's time. Starting early, even with small amounts, multiplies your results in ways you can't imagine. Wealth grows slowly at first, then it accelerates suddenly. But most people quit during that slow, boring phase. The wealthy stay. They understand that risk is unavoidable, but avoiding it is the biggest risk of all. Blind risk comes from emotion and hype. Calculated risk comes from knowledge. The wealthy don't fear losing money nearly as much as they fear losing time. Education reduces risk, emotions increase it. It all comes down to one thing. Assets, not liabilities, are what build a high RMP portfolio. Let's talk about what those high RMP assets actually are. We're talking about equities and long-term investments in the stock market. We're talking about ownership in real businesses, not just speculating on stock checkers. And it's about building your personal brand and creating digital leverage. These are assets that work for you even when you rest. Liabilities, on the other hand, demand your attention forever. Your goal is to turn your income into employees that work 24/7 for you. You want to replace financial stress with automated systems. Automate your investing so it happens without you even thinking about it. You have to learn to think in decades, not months. Small, consistent actions will always beat large, short-term bets. Wealth is built quietly, almost invisibly at first. Over time, patience beats luck. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. In the world of high RMP, boredom is your greatest ally. Now let's look at the common mistakes that keep people from building wealth. The biggest one? Short-term greed. Chasing hype you see in the news, letting tips and rumors replace actual research, allowing your emotions to overrule your discipline. Most people enter the market excited and full of hope, and they exit scared and broke. Discipline always wins over emotion in the long run. Impatience is the #1 enemy of high RMP. Knowledge is what reduces your risk, and a solid strategy will always beat blind luck. The saddest part is that most people quit right before their efforts start to show real results. Wealth grows slowly, quietly, like a tree. Time is the silent multiplier that does the heavy lifting. The real difference between the rich and the poor isn't how much money they have, it's their mindset. Assets increase your freedom, while liabilities increase your stress. The best advice is simple. Start early, start small, but most importantly, stay consistent. Every step you take on the wealth ladder matters, even if it feels invisible at the time. The world is full of real-world stories of high RMP in action. These are ordinary people who achieved extraordinary results through simple consistency. Luck might open the door for you, but it's discipline that keeps that door open. Most incredible success stories look incredibly ordinary in the beginning. Slow growth is the reality. Sudden visibility is just an illusion. Time is what magnifies patience. The ultimate goal isn't luxury, it's choice. Wealth gives you the power to choose how you spend your days. While most people get distracted and quit, the wealthy stay relentlessly focused. This invisible growth eventually leads to very visible success. Planning beats panic every single time. Think of it like a tree. Deep roots are what creates strong, lasting growth. The process is slow, steady, and disciplined. The wealthy respect time. The poor chase quick wins. The rich understand that you don't chase rewards, you build systems that deliver those rewards automatically. And it's those systems that replace stress with peace. This is how you build a life of freedom. You think long-term, not short-term. You let your money work for you while you sleep by creating automated systems. You turn every dollar of your income into an employee that never gets tired. You make a decision once and it benefits you for decades. Planning replaces panic. Structure beats stress. Remember, true freedom isn't about luxury. Freedom is about choice. High RMP is about gaining control over your life, not about mindlessly accumulating excess stuff. In today's world, financial literacy isn't a hobby, it's a survival skill. Knowledge is the real multiplier. The decisions you make today will shape the decades to come. Consistency will always beat intensity, and well-designed systems will always outperform luck. Peace of mind doesn't come from having more money, it comes from preparation. Wealth isn't about consumption, it's about choice. Ultimately, money should be a tool for freedom, not a symbol of status. High RMP is what gives you control over your own life. The formula is simple. Time plus knowledge plus discipline equals wealth. Your assets will grow quietly, becoming visible only much later. Freedom equals choice. Wealth is built in the quiet moments, not in the loud announcements. High return money principles are the key. Remember, the rich don't just work harder for their money, they make their money work harder for them. Start early, be consistent. Let high RMP guide you. Thanks for watching.